Good morning students. Here in this video lecture we will discuss about how to delete specific records from the binary file. This is the last video lecture of binary file operations, right? So here if you want to delete a file, here just see, we are working on the deletion process. There are three different type of deletion process are available in our Python. How many processes are there, Jesse? Now the very first process is delete the file completely. Suppose one ABC file, abc.dat file is created in your hard disk and you want to delete the file by using your Python program. Generally, if you want to delete the file, generally हम क्या करते हैं? We just select the file and then shift plus delete so that the file will be deleted. Right, but we have to delete the file by using our Python program. For that, the very first process, delete the file completely. Done by using your Python program. So just create a Python program. Here, just see what is the command of this concept. The command is os.remove then file name. OS is a module of Python. So if you want to delete a file by using your Python program, you just import the module into your program. So the very first line in your program is import and then OS. Right? Now if you want to delete abc.dat file, the second line is os.remove. Remove is a function of OS module. So here os.remove and inside the bracket just write the file name abc.dat and then close the bracket here. Right? By these two lines you can remove the file completely from the hard disk. Right? Now here if the file is there in the root folder of Python, then the command is applicable. Right? If the file is available in a different folder, then you have to supply the absolute path of the file with this os.remove function, right? And then just after that, just write a message here, print file is deleted. File is deleted. So this is a very small program for the file deletion. Now the first one, the program is related with to delete the file completely. Right? Now just see the second concept. Here the second concept is related with delete all the data that are there inside the file. Means what? File remains in your hard disk vacant. Empty file should be there at the last of this operation. Matlab abc.dat file is created with 500 records. Now you have to enter inside the file, remove all these 500 records and then convert the file as an empty file. For that, the process is FileHandler.truncate. This is the process by which you can remove all the data that are there inside the file. So just see what is the program related with the second concept. Here the program is very first you have to import pickle. Clear? Now the second one, you have to open a file in the file handle. Open and then here it is your file name and then you have to take it RB, read mode, read binary mode. Done. Or WB, you can use WB also. WB or RB, it's on you only. Now just see here, I am using pp.truncate, truncate, truncate and then pp.close. So by this one, we remove the data that are there inside the file. Right? So here, now the third process. Third process is the actual process that is there in our syllabus. What is the third process? Just see. Here the third concept is delete specific records from the file. Suppose a file is having 500 records and now you want to remove those records. You want to remove some specific records from the file. Right? Suppose 500 records are there, you just want to remove 50 records from the file. It means what? 450 records should be there in the file. Clear? This is the process, delete specific record from the file. So क्या किया जाए इसके लिए? What is the concept? What is the method for this operation? Here just see, I have created two diagrams. Suppose abc.dat file. This file contains 3 records, right? File is there, the records are there in the list format. Now out of these 3 records, I want to remove record of roll number 31. The second record I want to remove. Right? So very first I have to open the file in the read mode and then search the specific record which I want to remove from the file. Right? Then other than this record, all the records should be pasted in a separate file. Just see, I have created one new file pqr.dat in the same program, and this file is there in the write binary mode. This file is in the read binary mode. Right? So other than this record, I have to write all the records of the abc.dat file into the pqr.dat, and then when all the records other than the selected records are copied inside the pqr file, then what we can do here means, other than the record number 2, all the records are here now. Record number 1 is there, record number 2 is there. Now our operation is over. So here we just remove the file abc.dat completely from the hard disk after copying the data only, right? After copying the data, we remove the abc.dat file completely from the hard disk by using os.remove method, right? And then we have to rename this file, the new file, it is pqr.dat. So we just change the file name from pqr.dat to abc.dat. This is the deletion process. We can delete the file record indirectly. No direct approach is there in your Python in the programming. Right? Suppose 500 records are there. You want to remove 50 records. So just other than these 50 records, copy 450 records from one file to another file. Just copy and paste it. Just write the 450 records in the new file. Right? Now the new file is ready with the 450 records. Delete that file. Now one file is available with us. Now you have to change the file name as according to the previous file. This is the deletion process, right? So just read the data, just read the content here. Open the file in read mode, get all the data from the file, search specific records which we want to delete. Done? Means searching should be there in this concept. And then create a new file in write mode, copy all the data other than the selected data. Done? And the third one, remove the previous read mode file and rename the new file with the same file name. So here, two different functions of OS module are required. The first one is remove. By this function, you can remove the file. The second function of OS module, it is rename. By this function, you can change the name. You can change the name of PQR from pqr.dat to abc.dat. This is the deletion process. Now just see the program relation in the regard of this one. Right? Very first import pickle. Pickle module is included in your program. Because read and write operations are based on this module only. So here just see, two different file variables are created. Fr, file read. In this file handle, abc.dat file with read mode, it is available with fr. Done? abc.dat, it is loaded into the fr module. Clear? Now fw, another file handle, open pqr.dat wb. Here right now pqr.dat file is not available in the hard disk. So pqr.dat file is created now in the hard disk, and this pqr is connected with fw file handle, and the file is in write mode. Done? So two file handles are there. तो मैं अभी क्या कर रहा हूँ, इस abc.dat की जगह मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ fr, and यहाँ पे in this portion I use fw. Now the process is, you have to read the data from the fr file handle, search the specific record which you want to delete, and other than this record you have to write all the records from FR to FW. Clear? Now just see the process here. Import OS module is required if you want to execute, remove and rename functions of the OS module, right? So import OS, then REC list. Why it is list? The data is there in the list format. Then while true, no, sorry, before while, it is a equal to, just see this line, a equal to integer input, enter the roll number which you want to remove from the file, which particular record you want to remove from the file. It is asked by the user. Done. User आपको बताएगा इस फाइल में रोल नंबर 50 का रिकॉर्ड डिलीट करो. So the roll number 50, it is there in the variable a, right? Now while true, you are going to read the file. Try rec equal to pickle.load fr, means the very first record of the file, it is available in the rec variable now, and then the data is 21 RAJ 82.5. The first record data, it is available in the REC variable, right? Now just search. If REC 0 means roll number, REC 0 equal to a क्या है यहाँ पे? यूजर जिस रिकॉर्ड को डिलीट करना चाहता है उसका रोल नंबर उसने a के अंदर स्टोर किया हुआ है, राइट? सो REC 0 इक्वल टू a, अगर सेम रिकॉर्ड मिल जाए, सेम रिकॉर्ड वाला, सेम रोल नंबर वाला रिकॉर्ड मिल जाए, तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा देखो, इनसाइड द इफ आई यूज कंटिन्यू वर्ड ओनली. कंटिन्यू मींस no operation is there in this if. Continue means the while loop start its execution at the next time, right? And if the record is not there, जैसे अभी मुझे delete करना था record number 31, so what is there in the variable a? 31 is there. First record is inserted into REC variable. यहाँ पे क्या है roll number? It is 21. Now the condition is false. 21 is not equal to 31. The condition is false here. So computer enters in the else block. Now just see what is there in the else block here. The else block is the most important block. It continues the operation. Inside the else I use pickle.dump rec fw. It is the fw variable, right? rec.fw. Rec means 21, Raj 2.5. Now the same record, it is written in the new file variable like this, 82.5. Done. Now the next time the loop will start. Next time the REC contain roll number 31 data. It is the data which we want to delete, right? तो 31 वाला जो होगा उसके लिए तो कंटिन्यू, else में तो जाएगा नहीं. The condition is true over here. Else में जाएगा नहीं, मतलब क्या होगा? दूसरी फाइल में राइट ही नहीं हुआ है डेटा, right? So this record is skipped by the computer for writing in the new file. Right? चलो ये skip हो गया. Now the next record, it is roll number 45 here. 45. If condition, just take the if condition. 45 equal to 31. Is it true? No. False. So computer enters in the else block, and then here just see right operation is there in the else block. तो ये क्या होगा? 45 वाला record इसके नीचे आके computer write कर देगा in the new file. Clear? So by this we can write the specific records that are not there in our searching condition. So other than the selected record, all the records are written in a new file variable. Clear? Now just see, when you complete the operation, when computer read all the files, EOF error will be raised, and at the EOF time fr.close, fw.close and break. Right, the loop is terminated. Now your computer is here on this line. What is this line? os.remove abc.dat. Computer remove the abc.dat file completely from the hard disk. Yeah, ये ध्यान रखना. os.remove. So you should import the OS module in your program. Right? So the file is deleted. Now only one file is available in your hard disk, and the file name is pqr.dat. Done. So os.rename pqr.dat into abc.dat. So computer is going to change the name pqr.dat name हटेगा and the name of the file is abc.dat. पुरानी abc.dat और पहले डिलीट हो चुकी है आपके कंप्यूटर के पाइथन के रूट फोल्डर से. Now the name of pqr.dat it is renamed under this name abc.dat. अब आप जब भी प्रोग्राम चलाओगे abc फाइल ओपन करोगे आपको ये जो 31 वाला रिकॉर्ड है वो नहीं मिलेगा उसमें. Other than the 31 all the records are there in this abc.dat file. Clear? This is the deletion process and this is the deletion program. Right? Just take the screenshot of the board and try this program on your PC. Clear? I hope the topic is now easy for you. In the next video lecture, we will start the operations of CSK5. Right? So it is suggested to watch all the binary file operations videos one by one so that the concept is clear in your mind. Okay? Thank you very much.